Here is a myth I want to address directly. A good shop should always finish a repair in just a few days. I hear this expectation regularly, and I understand where it comes from, but it is not always accurate, and believing it can sometimes lead customers toward the wrong conclusions. Hi, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, and today I want to clear up the idea that repair speed equals repair quality. It does not. Some repairs are genuinely quick. A minor scratch, a small dent in an accessible location, a bumper replacement where the parts are in stock and the damage is straightforward. Those can move fast. But a lot of collision repairs are not that simple. And the factors that slow them down are often signs that the job is being done correctly, not signs that something is wrong. Parts availability is one, paint process is another. Hidden damage that requires proper documentation and approval is a third. A thorough inspection before the vehicle leaves the shop is a fourth. Here is the thing about a shop that rushes through repairs to hit a short timeline. You may not see the consequence right away. The car might look fine when you pick it up, but the paint may peel earlier than it should. The fit of a replaced panel may be slightly off. A component that was not fully addressed may cause a problem months later. Speed without process is a shortcut, and shortcuts have a way of showing up eventually. The right question to ask a shop is not how fast can you get it done. The better question is, what does the repair process look like, and how will you keep me updated along the way? A shop that can answer that clearly, that can explain the steps, communicate about timelines honestly, and alert you when something changes, is a shop you can trust. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we are not interested in rushing work to hit a faster number. We are interested in doing the repair right the first time, communicating clearly throughout, and returning a vehicle that the customer can feel confident in. That is what real quality looks like, and it sometimes takes more than a few days. If you want a shop that values doing things right over doing things fast, contact Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com for a free estimate. We will give you a real timeline and a repair you can count on.